Hello, I'm Latasha Kaiser, the co-founder and head cook of Kravegan LLC, where food is love. Our mission is to bring to you great vegan food that is bold, flavorful, and never boring. I have found that many people want to transition to a vegan and plant-based lifestyle. They just don't know how. They wonder, can they cook it? How do they cook it? Will it be mushy? Will it be bland? Will it smell funny? Will it look funny? Well, our mission is to bring to you great vegan food that looks like your traditional food, has the same bold flavors, but it's not. It's healthy. It's healthier for you. And after I was able to transition my children, I have 4 of them, and my husband that were raised on meat and dairy, I knew then I need to bring this to the world. We are Kravegan LLC, where food is love. When you're ready to place your order, you can contact us at vegan@kravegan.com. You can visit our website, www.kravegan.com. You can call and/or text 904-990-6250. You can also find us on social media. We're on Facebook and Instagram, Kravegan LLC. Just remember, we are Kravegan LLC, where food is love.